In this video, we'd like to explain how Plantation shutters allow you to control the amount of light that enters your home, Plantation shutters being a popular window treatment solution for homeowners wanting to control the amount of light coming from outside through the windows. Plantation shutters are made of horizontal slats that can be adjusted to control the amount of light entering a room. By rotating the slats, you can let more or less light into the room. This allows you to easily control the light to create the perfect ambiance in your home and even light effects when the sun rays flood into your house. The best part about Plantation shutters is that they not only provide light control, but they also add a touch of style to your home, as they come in a variety of colors and materials to match any decor. So if you're looking for a stylish and practical way to control the light in your home, Plantation shutters are a great option. Thanks for watching. If you're interested in updating your home with interior window shutters, contact us and we'll be happy to provide you with a consultation and help you choose the perfect style for your home.